Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that I love a lot. I don't know if this is well known anywhere else, but it's like something that is typically eaten in Austria and also in Germany, so I hope you enjoy this recipe. You want to start out with separating 4 eggs, and you want to put the egg whites in one bowl and the egg yolks in another one. Then with the egg yolks, you want to add some flour, milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now you want to give this a good mix until it is completely combined. Next, you want to take the egg whites and you want to mix them until they're stiffened. Just like that. Now you would want to take a big pan and you want to heat up some butter in there. And then mix the egg whites with the rest of the dough. You want to be very careful and mix gently with the spoon. Meanwhile, your pan should be ready with the butter, so you can pour the dough into that and let that sit on medium heat until it is brown from the bottom, and you can check by just using little spatula like that. And if it's starting to brown, you can try to turn it. We never managed to turn it in one full thing, but if you can, props to you. You just want to make sure it doesn't burn on one side. And again, let that sit for a while, and you can see we transfer it into a casserole now. But if your pan can be used in the oven, you can leave it in the pan. And then you want to put it in the oven with 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Then, when it's done, you want to take it out and with 2 forks start ripping it apart. And then you want to add the raisins and put that back into the oven for 1 or 2 minutes. And then you're ready to serve this. So you want to put this onto plates. And then you want to spread some powdered sugar all over. And also put some applesauce on the side. And then you're ready to enjoy. So I hope you give this a try. I really like this recipe. I think it's really delicious. It doesn't turn out too sweet, and with the apple juice or applesauce, it's just very nice and fresh and delicious. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!